The Assam government has moved to introduce Meitei script in the education institutions of the state in an effort to preserve, protect, and promote the linguistic identity of the Manipuris. This will allow interested students to read Manipuri literature, pursue higher studies in Manipuri in Meitei Mayek script. Additionally, it will also enable candidates from Assam to apply for jobs in Manipur requiring mandatory knowledge of Meitei Mayek. The decision was taken during the cabinet meeting of the state government held on March 10. In its other key decisions taken during the cabinet meeting, the government has decided to allocate 131 crore rupees for the beautification of the historic Ranghar and Sivasagar. Among several of its key decisions taken during the cabinet meeting, the government has also decided to offer a range of incentives to Tata's semiconductor facility. The decision has been made subsequent to the approval of the semiconductor unit in Assam by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India.